Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to autoplay video in Canva. To autoplay video in Canva, you'll need to enable the autoplay feature within the Canva application. Launch open the Canva app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're in the home section, go to the top left corner and tap on the hamburger menu. In the menu options, go ahead and tap on your username at the top. Now, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Your Account. Now scroll all the way down until you see the Autoplay Videos option. Tap on the drop-down under Autoplay Videos and click on Autoplay Videos On. Right after you do that, you will be able to enable Autoplay in Canva for your videos. That is how simple it is. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.